Everyone, this is from EdUx Technology, and we are going to present what we teach as part of the QNXT training program. This training program is designed to consider the market demand which we have from the payer world, and we are seeing that a lot of inquiries are coming where people are not aware of how a payer world is working, how the claims are getting handled end to end. So this is the training program which is going to enhance your skill set if you are already working in the healthcare industry or looking for to become a system analyst or a subject matter expert from the system perspective. So what are the things we are going to learn? That's what we are going to learn as part of this training. So this is going to elaborate on what are the things you can expect as part of this training program. As we see here, that this course is designed which will enable you to understand what the overall industry is all about, and also it will give you the idea what are the different segments we have, what are the building blocks of the healthcare in the current market which we consider. This is an online training. We also provide the corporate training, so if you are an employer, you are associated with the employer and you want this type of training, do let us know or call us. So as part of the core expertise, the core training program, you are going to learn about the claims module. Now let's see what are the other things which are associated as part of the claims module. Definition of insurance claim. What exactly the claim is all about. The claim generation, how the claim is getting generated, what are the steps it has to go through. Claim model. The claim model which encompasses the institutional, professional, dental, pharmacy, you have different types of claims. So all these things you are going to understand as part of this training because it's a key before you get your hands into the system. What are the different types of claims, what are the different modes the payer is receiving the claim and what are the different modes the provider is submitting the claim. Health insurance claim process. How the end-to-end process works and what are the different stages like acceptance, denials, rejections, or any other status the claim has to go through. So in a nutshell, we can say what is the life cycle of the claim and how it goes through a different phases. As you see here, this is the claim processing screen, and this is what the web application is, which you are going to learn as part of this training. So how the claim submission is going to work, how the intake process is, how the claim gets expected, and how it moves through the different screens over here, what you see, where you can see the ICD-9 to ICD-10, that coordination of benefits, services, where exactly you go and see the edits, what are the rules apply or none, the payment, if there is a payment or rejection, how it is, and if there is any limitation on that, any services, then that's what you see under the limits. Then you have the any particular notes which needs to be added as part of the claim, that's what the memo is. Or if the claim is flagged in some case, that's what you will learn as part of the attribute. Claim adjudication process, how the claim gets adjudicated or processed and the pricing is done. The claim payment, which will tell us that whether the claim is rejected or paid, that's what we will learn about it. Now, as part of this, the claim is always divided into two segments. One is your header level information and another one is your line level information, like number of services, what each service was. On the other hand, the header level information is more about like, okay, the provider information, which is common for the no matter how many services the patients have taken. This is another module which will teach you about in-depth detail about the benefits, how the benefits are handled, what are the different things you have in the benefit, and it will give you the overview of benefits. As you see, you can have a benefit, dental benefit, the pharmaceutical benefit, the vision benefit, and the medical benefit. So you can have different level of benefits and how that is managed. So this module is going to design how to design the module, how to design a benefit plan, creating new benefits, adding exclusion, service group, and the associated explanation of benefit messages and the provider messages, which is also called as the remit messages because it is associated with the remittance. Managing restriction groups. Always there are sometimes you will see that there are some restrictions which is applied on the group specific, and that gets handled through the benefit module. Managing accumulator, you have physical therapy, these are the accumulators, how to manage that, that's what we will learn. Also how to add or delete codes, whether it's a CPT or the revenue codes. managing copay. What if there is a copay deductible which needs to be applied as part of your benefit, then that's what we will learn how to manage that. Managing codes, diagnosis codes. Right now we are having the ICD-10, we have ICD-9 which is effective right now, and future is ICD-10 or ICD-11, that is the upcoming event. So this is the overall curriculum what you are going to learn as part of the QNXT training. On the other hand, the course is available for the weekends and the weekdays, and it is always after hours because we need to accommodate the working professionals who are working somewhere on a day-to-day basis and looking for enhancement of their career. What do you expect as part of this training outside of the knowledge which you have gained during the interview? All attendees will receive the recorded session of each of the class, the notes and the material which from our knowledge base. All these things will be accessible to you. If you have any question, please visit us at www.adiox.com, or if you want to talk with somebody, please call us at 848-200-0448, or you can write to us at info@adiox.com. That's it, and thank you and have a good day.